Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best telescope you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best telescope on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best telescope are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Celestron LT114AZ Smartphone Telescope. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, tech-enhanced telescope that helps you explore the night sky with ease, the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is a great choice. It's affordable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone eager to learn about astronomy. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is a fantastic beginner-friendly telescope that combines the power of modern technology with traditional stargazing. Its integration with the StarSense app makes it incredibly easy to use, guiding users through the night sky and helping them locate celestial objects without frustration. The 114mm aperture delivers solid views for casual stargazing, and its portable design makes it convenient for outdoor use. While the manual mount may not be ideal for advanced users or precise tracking, it's perfect for those just starting in astronomy. The performance of the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is impressive for its price point. The 114mm aperture allows for bright, clear views of various celestial objects, including planets, star clusters, and even galaxies on clear nights. The StarSense app is a game-changer, helping users align the telescope and find objects in the sky without the need for complicated manual setup. The app offers an intuitive interface, making stargazing easy and fun for users of all skill levels. The HEXEUM mount provides smooth, straightforward adjustments, but some users may find it less precise for tracking fast-moving objects like planets. Its lightweight design makes it convenient for travel or outdoor use. Our second best telescope is HEXEUM Multi-Coated High Transmission Telescope. The 80mm aperture allows for bright and clear views of celestial objects, making it a perfect choice for beginners. It strikes a balance between size and light-gathering capability, enabling you to view the moon, planets, and deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae with ease. The lenses are equipped with multi-coated high-transmission coatings to reduce glare and improve light transmission. This results in sharper and brighter images, especially in low-light conditions, which is particularly useful when observing distant objects. The included phone adapter allows you to attach your smartphone to the telescope, enabling you to capture images and videos of your celestial observations. This feature is especially useful for sharing your stargazing experiences with friends and family. The HEXEUM mount is simple to use, providing smooth and stable movements as you pan horizontally or vertically to track objects in the sky. The mount is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it easy to align the telescope and adjust your view. The wireless control feature allows you to remotely adjust the telescope without having to touch it. This provides added convenience, particularly when you're adjusting for a better view or tracking moving objects like planets or stars. The carrying bag makes the telescope highly portable, allowing you to easily take it on outdoor trips or to stargazing events. This makes it convenient for those who want to enjoy astronomy in different locations. Number 3 in our list is Hawkko Astronomical Refractor Telescope. The HEXEUM mount is simple to use and provides smooth, intuitive adjustments in both horizontal and vertical directions. It's beginner-friendly, allowing for easy tracking of celestial objects across the sky. However, while it offers basic control, it may lack the precision needed for astrophotography. The 90mm aperture is a significant upgrade from smaller beginner telescopes, offering increased light-gathering power. This allows for brighter and sharper views of the moon, planets, and other deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. It's an ideal size for beginners who want more detailed views without the cost of high-end telescopes. The 900mm focal length offers higher magnification and a more detailed view of objects in the night sky, making it excellent for planetary observations and lunar details. The longer focal length also helps achieve a sharper image, especially when viewing distant celestial bodies. The portable carry bag makes this telescope highly convenient for outdoor stargazing sessions, camping trips, or taking it to darker skies for better viewing. It's a great feature for those who want to explore different stargazing locations. The phone adapter is a thoughtful addition, enabling you to attach your smartphone to the telescope for photography or simply to share your stargazing experiences. You can capture images and videos of the moon, planets, and other visible objects with ease. The telescope is equipped with multi-coated lenses that help reduce glare and improve light transmission. Fourth recommendation in our side is Gskyer Astronomical Refracting Telescope. The Gskyer 70mm Aperture 400mm AZ mount astronomical refracting telescope is an excellent choice for beginners, especially kids, who are eager to explore the stars and planets without the complexities of high-end telescopes. This budget-friendly, portable telescope is designed for casual stargazing and provides impressive views of the moon, planets, and other celestial bodies. With its easy-to-use features and included accessories, it's perfect for young astronomers or those just getting started in the world of astronomy. The Gskyer telescope is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great option for family trips or for anyone who wants to take their telescope outdoors. It comes with a carry bag, ensuring that it's easy to store and transport. The wireless remote is a convenient feature that allows you to control the telescope's movement without having to touch it directly. This helps prevent unwanted shaking or vibrations when you're trying to focus on distant objects. The Gskyer 70mm Aperture 400mm AZ mount telescope delivers solid performance for casual astronomers, particularly for beginners. The 70mm aperture collects enough light for clear views of the moon and planets like Jupiter and Saturn, though deep sky objects may appear less detailed at this size. The 400mm focal length gives a wide field of view, which is ideal for locating objects in the night sky. The AZ mount is smooth and easy to use, making it simple for even children to operate. Last in our top 5 best telescope list is Dianfan Aperture Telescopes. The Dianfan 90mm is lightweight and comes with a carry bag, making it highly portable and perfect for taking on trips or stowing away when not in use. The easy setup ensures you won't waste time and can begin stargazing almost immediately. The phone adapter allows you to attach your smartphone to the eyepiece, making it easy to capture photos or videos of the celestial objects you are observing. This is a fun feature, especially for beginners who want to share their experiences or document what they see in the night sky. The included stainless steel tripod provides stability for the telescope, ensuring steady viewing without too much wobbling. It's sturdy enough for both low and high magnification settings, and the adjustable height allows you to comfortably observe at different angles. The refractor design is easy to use and provides sharp, high-contrast images. Unlike reflector telescopes, refractors don't require as much maintenance since there are no mirrors to realign, making this telescope relatively hassle-free. The 800mm focal length gives a good level of magnification for general observation. The longer focal length helps with observing celestial objects in more detail without compromising the field of view.